We're going to be forging our octagonal taper, roughly 1.5 inches long from 1 inch of stock. We're going to forge this at the edge of the anvil down to about 1/2 inch for our struck end. First we work down to an even square taper, just like you saw in the last demonstration. Try to keep that even. You notice there's an ever so slight amount of fish mouthing happening here. We're going to take care of that at the end. Now we're going to define our octagon by hitting the high points. Just try to keep those sides even. Now we're going to smooth up that end when we take the next heat. We're just going to upset it right into the face of the anvil. Since there's such a small amount of fish mouthing, it just takes a couple of blows to take care of that. Then we end up with our nice taper. That's how we forge the struck end of each of our tools.